Use this to energize and flat belly. How it does for you: waking up feeling leaner and healthier, even look younger. And the little-known solution to use can now help you melt away fat faster than anything you've ever seen before without making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. In this video, you will understand what Flat Belly Tonic is and what it does for you. Be realistic and follow the instructions and you see results. Continue using is important. The Flat Belly Tonic is produced by a professional laboratory, backed up by solid scientific research, and is made in a modern FDA-approved and GMP good manufacturing practices, certified facility with regular audits and quality checks. The Flat Belly Tonic is free of all allergens, contains natural ingredients, and is perfectly safe. If you have a medical condition, it's recommended you discuss it with your doctor. This is not a fat-burning pill or medication.